Give me one pack. Okay.
Take it. Where are gone my bottles? Oh shit! Bro, did you see my bottles were placed here?
No, I don't see. Give me my bottles. I am being late.
How could you don't know? There is no one else except you. Give me your search.
Okay.
There is nothing. Okay, sorry, bro. Take your one pack. Your total comes $10.
No, I don't buy from you. Bastard, you are blaming on me. So I will buy from next shop. I am leaving.
Where they disappeared suddenly. I am 100% sure that bastard stole my cold drinks.
Wow, I make fool the shop owner and stole his 6 bottles.
Wow!
After now, I will rob all bottle shop from this trick.
I owed him.